The alleged custodial death of NRI Cipriano Fernandez has been drawing flack from several quarters, which has raised serious questions over the conduct of the police, such as why Cipriano was not medically examined even though it is mandatory. The issue is likely to rock the Legislative Assembly, which goes into session from the 31st of this month. Goa 365 highlights the mandatory requirements to be observed by police in any detentions or arrests.
Moira resident Cipriano Fernandez, who was working on a cruise ship, was arrested by Panjim police after an altercation with his girlfriend at around 10 p.m. on January 7. The police informed his relatives the next day about his arrest. On the 9th of January, police informed Cipriano's relatives that he was suffering from convulsions and was admitted at Goa Medical College Hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries. The conduct of the police is allegedly not as per the requirements established by the Supreme Court. A quick look at the requirements set out by the Supreme Court in the year 1996 in the case of D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal with regard to arrest and detention. Police arresting and interrogating suspects should wear accurate, visible and clear identification and name tags, and details of interrogating police officers should be recorded in a register. Police making an arrest should prepare a memo of arrest to be signed by a witness and countersigned by the arrested person, giving the time and date of arrest. Anyone arrested should be entitled to have a friend or relative informed of the arrest and place of detention as soon as practicable. If such a friend or relative lives outside the district, the time and place of arrest and place of detention should be notified to them by police through the legal aid organization within 8 to 12 hours. Anyone arrested should be informed of their right to inform someone of the arrest and detention as soon as they are arrested. Information about the arrest and the details of the person informed of the arrest should be kept in a diary at the place of detention along with the names of police officers supervising custody. On request, anyone arrested should be examined at the time of arrest and any injuries recorded. This inspection memo should be signed by the arrested person and the arresting police officer and a copy given to the arrested person. Anyone arrested should be medically examined by a doctor every 48 hours during detention. Copies of all the documents referred to above should be sent to the magistrate. Anyone arrested should be permitted to meet with their lawyer during interrogation, though not throughout the interrogation. A police control room should be established at all district and state headquarters with information regarding details of those arrested and their place of custody displayed on a notice board. However, the conduct of the police is allegedly not as per the requirements established by the Supreme Court. Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar has termed the incident as a serious offence. Mr. Parrikar wondered why Cipriano was not medically examined, which is required as per Supreme Court guidelines.
मनशाक arrest केलो जर तूं जाल्यार तो सगळो रोजनिशीन उतरूंक जाय आनी ताका first thing has to be done is he has to be medically checked up for sound condition. अनेक गायडलायन तांच्यांनी पाळुनातली सगळ्यांत महत्वाची जी आसा ताका मेडिकल चेकअपाक जर धाडलेलो जाल्यार रेकॉर्ड आसतलो ताची कंडिशन आयल्लें ना कशें आशिल्लें. आतां ते क्लेम करता पळय की ताका आमी मारूं ना पयलींच ताका मार बसलेलो हे रेकॉर्डाचेर येतलें आसलें न्हय. त्यामुळे ही सगळ्यांत इम्पॉर्टंट गायडलायन जी सुप्रीम कोर्टाची पाळूंक जाय आसली ती न पाळ्ळ्या मुळे म्हाका दिसता दोज पुलीस ऑफिसर्स हू आर इनवॉल्वड इन दीस कस्टोडियल डेथ has to be first suspended before any action is initiated. बाकीची एक्शनां सबसिक्वेंटली जावंक जाय. इट्स अ व्हेरी सिरियस मॅटर. पुलीस हे रेग्युलरली करपाक लागले, कॉमन मनशाक करपाक लागले, हे चलपाचें ना.
Meanwhile, police have informed that they are waiting for interim report from magisterial inquiry and have assured that action would be taken on any officer found guilty into the case.
We are waiting for his interim report. Action will be initiated 100% the minute the SDM's report, even if he gives us an interim report in between, we will make sure that the action is initiated on that. We are totally open to this. There is no two ways or no two thoughts about this. It's a very clear-cut case. So the minute SDM indicates involvement of any police official, action would follow.